Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a very common kingfisher. The white-throated kingfisher. The white-throated kingfisher, also known as the white-breasted kingfisher, is a tree kingfisher. Widely distributed in Asia from Sinai east through the Indian subcontinent to China and Indonesia. Large-headed, predominantly brown kingfisher with electric blue back and wings, heavy orange bill and snow-white patch from the throat through the breast. It feeds on a wide range of prey that includes small reptiles, amphibians, crabs, small rodents, and even birds. Their calls are like named locally as Laya Sudu Madi Pilihuduwa. I see white-throated kingfishers every other day. They are distributed throughout Sri Lanka. We recently visited a glamping site at Tanamalvilla. During our stay, they arranged us a floating breakfast. We really enjoyed it.